Puckeys Estate Nature Reserve is one of Wollongong's most peaceful and underrated coastal escapes. Tucked between Fairy Meadow and North Wollongong, this protected reserve is a beautiful mix of coastal forest, wetlands, lagoons, and sandy tracts that feel worlds away from the nearby suburbs. It's the kind of place where birdsong replaces traffic noise and nature takes the lead. Winding walking and cycling paths weave through the reserve, making it a popular spot for morning strolls, bike rides, and relaxed dog walks. The landscape changes as you move through it, from shady tree-lined sections to open areas near Fairy Creek and the lagoon. It's also a fantastic location for birdwatching, with native species frequently spotted around the wetland areas. What makes Puckeys Estate special is its quiet, untouched feel. You won't find big crowds here, just natural bushland, fresh coastal air, and a strong sense of calm. Whether you're exploring on foot, riding through on two wheels, or simply looking for a peaceful nature break near the beach, Puckeys Estate Nature Reserve is a hidden Illawarra gem worth discovering. Don't forget to enjoy the little moments in life. Come and explore Australia with us, the Holiday Hunter, and don't forget to like and subscribe. And we will see you in the next adventure.